Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Debbie. If you're new on this platform, I want to say a big welcome to you, and please do not forget to like, share the video. The more you like, the more other people gets to see the video. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. Keep liking, keep sharing, and keep dropping your comments as well. This video is all about how to make a fabric belt. This is my own version. There are several methods that you can use to make a fabric belt. This is my fabric, and I have 4 inches width and about 40 something inches. Here I have my waist plus 10 inches. So you can do your round waist measurement plus 5 plus 6. It depends on how long you want the belt to be. So you can see what I just did. Here is my belt hook. This is the frame and the tiny prong as well. I bought these two separately, so these two coming together make up a belt buckle. Okay, so here I folded on both sides, and this is what I have, and I can now measure the opening on my buckle. Okay, so this is about 2 inches. That is about half the width of my fabric already. So here is my collar stay, or the peplum stay, as the case may be. So this is to give it at least a little structure. Okay, so here I have cut 1.625 of the peplum stay, because that is what is going to go through the frame of my buckle. So right now I will be attaching this with the help of my hemming gum to my fabric. Now here, don't do this. Ensure you sew the fabric before you insert your collar stay. This is what I do, and I was able to pull through anyway, but it wasn't that easy. So I used my pressing iron, and I am pressing it down right now. So when I was done with this, I decided to bring the two sides together, right side facing right side, and I stitched. But stitching and trying to turn it back to the right side wasn't easy. So that was why I said you should join your fabric sew before inserting the collar stay into it. Okay, but I was able to achieve this anyway, but it wasn't that easy. Okay, so now I'm trying to press it again just to make it smooth, and this is what I have. Can you see how smooth it is? So you just pick one end and overlock the raw edges. Okay, so this has been done, and this is what I have. Okay, so I want to bring my buckle now, and I will be inserting my belt or my fabric into it, and ensuring that the prong goes through a hole that will be created in the middle of the fabric. Okay, and using my pen, I will be marking the spots where the hole is going to be or be created. So right now it's time to create the hole, just a tiny hole that the prong can go through. Okay, so you don't need to make it big at all. It has to be very, very tiny. So, and I am trying to pull the prong through the hole, and this is what I have. So now that is being done, I'm going to just bring the end close to the remaining fabric and stitch with my needle and thread. Yes, because I won't be able to stitch this using my sewing machine. So now this has been done. I'm tying it right now. Okay, so, and I'm trying to just trim out the excess thread, Okay, so now this is done and the buckle is neatly done or fixed to my fabric. So the other end right now, I'm going to just fold in and sew. Okay, and here you can as well fold it in and probably use your gum or something just to, you know, gum it together. It could be your gum glue, it could be your fabric gum, so whatever one you can use just to make this side neat. But here I folded it in and I stitched, and this is what I have. Can you see right now? So right now I will be using my rivet machine to create some holes using my eyelets. Okay, so the holes that the prong is going to go through, that would, you know, help me to firm up my belt on my waist, is what I want to create. So by doing this, you're going to measure your waist, your exact waist, because it has to go around your waist first. So once you finish measuring your waist, you mark the point and you go in, or you come back in by probably 2 inches or 3 inches, as the case may be, because at times you may want the belt to be a bit tight to give it a lovely shape on your waist. So it's possible. So just come in by 2 or 3 inches after you have measured your waist. So look at where mine is. So I will be creating my holes, and those holes are going to go beyond my waistline measurement on the belt. I hope I'm making sense. So right now I am measuring 1¼ interval and I'm marking with my chalk. So these are the spots I'm going to consider by the time I am trying to create the hole with my soldering iron. Okay, this is my soldering iron and it's very, very hot. So now I will be using it, and you know, you have to be very careful when you're using it because it's very, very hot. Okay, so this hole I'm done creating, and I'm going to insert this from the right side, then turn to the wrong side. Okay, this is on the right side, then you turn it to the wrong side and you take the other part, which is the flat part, and ensuring that the wrong side faces down. Okay, meaning that the right side is facing you, the right side of that is facing you. So once you are done with that, you're going to just put it on the rivet machine and do the needful. I already have a video on how to use the rivet machine to create this, so you can watch that to get more understanding. So now my hole has been created, and I'm going to be creating, you know, more than 5, I think more than 6 on the belt. So this is what I have. Can you see? Very beautiful, right? So now I am done with my belt. I'm done creating my belt, and this is how it looks. So you can do yours and let me know how it looks, or give me the feedback. And this is what I have. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.